Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my freebie advent calendar. Yes, throughout the month of December, from the 1st to the 25th, I'm going to be sharing every single day a December daily, and I'm going to share a free printable for you guys to download and enjoy. Free printable to use for junk journal, card making, any sort of papercraft project. The freebie is available to download on my Facebook group, so keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome to freebie number 22. 3 more slips until the big day. 3 more slips. Today I'm gifting you this page here. You could probably see better if you do this way. But it's a page full of letters. And I don't know, I hope you can see them better on camera. Yes. So kind of like a Victorian / medieval, because you can use them in both era, I would like to say. So this is a page from my very popular kit. It's called Fan Alphabet and Numbers. It's a huge kit. Look how many papers. I'm just going to quickly flick through. So it's a gorgeous kit full of numbers in different fonts and alphabet. Why is it on the other way around? Right, bear with. Okay. So it's full of different fonts and colors. This is the page I'm gifting you guys. There are some cupcakes. I love this. This is probably one of my favorite pages because it's got some flowers. This is beautiful if you do like bespoke gifting. To fussy cut the letters and put it on top of your cards or tags. Some black and white. You can either do some coloring if you fancy. So I'm just trying to give you as many options as possible. Some more florals. I'm not going to go every single one of them because it's a very big kit. But it's a different styles. You know, you got geometric, you got flowers, you got abstract. Love this. Some Easter flowers. This is more like, I want to say elegant, but it's been more nice and crispy with the lilies. I love this. You can either color them and cut it or fussy cut it or even die cut it if you got like a particular shape that you want to use. Some Christmas. This you can write the person's name if you want. It's loads. I have used loads of this. Sea animals. Loads. Some more with the lilies. I love these. They're like the notebook and the one. I love these. I've used it in when I did some ephemera with the playing cards. Honestly, guys, loads. So let me just put this back together. So this is the page that you guys going to get. Let me show you where. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and now you will automatically download the freebies. Okay, now you saw my Facebook group, guys. Let me finish the video with a positive note. I'm using the 365 Days of Calm. It's a book full of quotes, affirmation and activities to bring calmness every day. And today it's quote number 48. And he says, keep your face always towards the sunshine and shadow will fall behind you. No comments. Honestly, love this. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really huge big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, If you also like it, please consider subscribe and click on notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, if you need some more ideas and inspiration, I will put 2 videos on the screen when we made 2 junk journals project related, 2 different tutorials, but I hope I can give you some more ideas. Okay guys, keep watching, and until tomorrow, stay safe and well. Bye!